Hey students, I brought my friend, the whale, here today. Have you ever heard whale sounds in the ocean? They make the most haunting or mysterious or sometimes playful sounds, but they almost always speak on ooh. I want to show you a conversation between two whales, what it might sound like. They might say, ooh, whoop, ooh, 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 ooh. Do you think you could go after my whale and imitate what it says in whale language? Give it a try. Ready? Ooh! Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good job. Now, in a conversation, usually we say two different things. If I said, "Where are you going?" you might say, "I'm going to the store with my mom." So I wonder if you could say something different than my whale. Are you ready? If my whale says, ooh, could you say something different? What about, ooh, 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 ooh? What about, ooh, 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 ooh? Good job. Making whale sounds is silly and fun, but it also helped you to warm up your vocal cords for the rest of our lesson.